My name is Michael Radziemski. I'm the Chief Information Officer at the Federal Home Loan Bank of New York. In terms of the tech debt treadmill, our feeling was that we have a series of Java applications, and they really needed to be upgraded realistically probably at least once every 3 years. And you have a number of applications, and you start trying to upgrade those every 3 years. It became really hard to keep up. So that treadmill was precisely what it felt like, that we were running as fast as we could, and that next year there are yet more applications becoming obsolete. Why Unqork was the right choice, it took a long time to kind of get our head around what Unqork is. It's a SaaS application, it's a development platform, but it's no code, so you're not creating more tech debt. And I think as we came to understand it, we realized that we could get out of the entire business of all those upgrades and maintenance and patching and all the what I would call friction that kind of goes with that. And that friction has a cost to our team. It's a lot of effort to be patching, upgrading, and so on and so forth. We have to do that to keep the bank, the way it needs to be, but it doesn't really deliver business value, so it's not entirely satisfying. So we kind of realized that Unqork would let us achieve both increased speed of delivery on the upside, and then get us out of the technical debt treadmill on the other side.